This Valentine's Day, I wanted to celebrate with a few people who haven't had their hearts broken yet. So, happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Who is ready to talk about love?
Ew! Gross!
I don't think anybody in
Gonna go well. What is romance?
So romance is basically when you're dating, you spice it up.
Oh. What do you do when you start dating?
Start K-I-S-S. Kissing.
See if you really like each other. Then once you're like around 40 or something, you get married.
It's that easy?
It's pretty easy.
Sometimes you don't know each other, you just kiss and you don't even know what's happening. Sometimes you don't even know what's happening.
How do you know when you love someone?
If you look in the mirror, and then there's this boy beside you, you might see your cheeks getting really rosy.
If it's your girl, you'd probably feel butterflies in your stomach.
Girls get butterflies in their stomach, but boys don't?
No, you would probably feel like special.
Okay, because you're too rugged and masculine for butterflies in your stomach.
Actually, yeah, because I go to the gym.
Let's talk about dating apps.
Holla. Hello.
Hello.
No, it's holla.
Holla. Excuse me. Holla. What do you know?
So it's this app on your phone. It's called Holla. My best friend, he tried Holla and he actually got a girlfriend.
Wow.
Gross.
Guys, I've been in a relationship for 10 years.
You said you were 20, so you were 10 when that happened?
We don't have to do the math.
No,
it's okay.
actually tell us.
No.
Do you have any tips on how I can spice up my marriage?
So spend some time in the hot tub.
Oh, now we're talking. Do you have a hot tub I could borrow? So maybe my husband and I could have some time in your hot tub.
That'd be kind of creepy.
Thanks, Chelsea. Right now, do you have a crush on anybody?
Yeah. Yes.
I'm getting kind of on a guy named Ryan.
Oh.
Because he's really nice.
Uh-huh.
And sometimes he even makes me laugh like at the top of my lungs.
A guy with a sense of humor is so important. Can he cook?
Once in my cooking class at my school.
Oh.
You have cooking class? Yes, we do. We're supposed to make a pancake, and he made a pancake except with a heart on it.
Lock him down. Chelsea, do you have a crush on anybody?
No.
How come?
Because I don't need a guy.
That's right.
So do we need girls in our life?
No, you don't, so back away.
Who pays half the bills for the house?
Oh, wow. What they're saying is they're strong, independent young women who don't
You should see my mom.
boyfriends.
She is a wrestler, and she won a trophy.
Oh, dear, okay.
Good for
Okay, this is
Wait a
getting a
second.
bit aggressive.
Sarp, do you want to fall in love one day?
Actually, I would.
Yeah?
I would just like to feel how it is and have a good life.
That's beautiful.
And that's what Valentine's Day is supposed to be.
I wish you the happiest Valentine's Day in the world.
Can we eat the candy now?
Yes.
I'm not eating one of those ever again. They're so spicy.